Hi everyone, my name is Rob Cunningham. I teach math and computer science at Spirit Lake High School, and I have been part of the Governor's STEM Externship program for 3 different years. 3 different summers I was able to spend working with the program. I spent one summer at GK and Wheels in Estherville, Iowa, where they make rims and wheels for at the plant I was at. It was for large things like tractors and things like that. My second summer I spent at the Iowa DNR up here in the Okoboji Great Lakes area. The picture of me here is when we were catching data on snapping turtles. It was a monster there that we had, so that was kind of a fun day, turtle wrangling day as they call it. And I spent a third summer at Rosenboom Industries. They make cylinders for things like lift trucks and garbage trucks and all sorts of pneumatic devices and things like that. And so just telling you a little bit of the things that I learned at those. At GK and Wheels, I was in the quality department. So my job there was to help input the data, the schematics, the sizes of all of the different products they make into a system, so that way when they were measured, the workers would know if the measurements were in tolerance or if they were up to specifications. And if not, they could go back and look at the process and figure out what's going wrong. At the DNR, I did all sorts of different things. I worked in the fish hatchery. I helped with cleaning tanks and putting fish in different parts of the rivers and lakes and streams in Iowa. Collecting data was a big part in some of the lakes. Again, the turtle experience, we had a lot of data from different carp studies and things like that. I helped collect, spent a lot of time on a boat and on the lake with that. And Rosenboom Industries, I was in the lean manufacturing department, so trying to help the organization see how can we make processes better, more efficient, and more reliable from one operator to another. So I've had a wide variety of experiences with this program, and it has been absolutely wonderful. Some of the big things I didn't expect, being in school all the time, I don't know what else is out there for jobs, and I learned so many different types of jobs and things that people can do that I can now share with students that I didn't know could be possible careers or things they could do, and that was an amazing thing. Also, seriously, the amount of data and real-life applications I can say when kids when are we ever going to use this? I have answers. In statistics, this is where we use a confidence interval. In geometry, hey, 3-dimensional figures, we have to take these measurements and draw schematics for that, and that's amazing. Timing and things, and how can we make things most efficient, maximizing functions and things like that. So many things that I can now say, people do this, right? People do this, and that's what's important. I can't stress enough at how great these experiences have been. I think it allows me to be a better aid for students in finding careers and things outside of high school. I think it allows me to, again, make things real life, makes things real, makes a connection, makes me more authentic, which I really like. It was a fantastic opportunity. I hope that, in future summers I can take part in another program, because it changes it and it excites you every year. Going into the classroom, having these experiences, being able to say, you know what I did this summer? I caught a 45-pound snapping turtle, or I was dealing with these giant robots that make cylinders in our area. And so if you love robotics, there's careers just down the road that I can help you, because I know people now. I know people in businesses. I can get people into businesses, and it was just an amazing experience. And so if you have the opportunity, either as a teacher or a business, please take part in this. It changes education, it changes teachers, and it helps kids. So thank you so much for listening. Again, I've had a great experience, and I hope you will as well. Take care. Bye-bye.